Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi A3 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously my home screen is already open and visible. Once whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, hold power button and volume down at the same time. You will have this flash along with the pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment this will disappear. There we go. Now, that is how you can capture a screenshot. Now, there is one thing that I do want to point out, which I can do with the most garbage application that comes pre-installed with basically every phone, which is Netflix. Up yours Netflix, you shouldn't have the ability to do whatever you're about to be doing. So keep in mind, I'm not logged in right now. I do kind of want to point that out in a more of a legal perspective. So I'm not logged into the Netflix. I haven't even installed this dog shit application myself. But then if I try to capture a screenshot here, what I get is a fully black screen, even though you can clearly see the keyboard and login page. So now if I go to the Photos application to view the screenshot that I've captured, you can see them in the Photos tab right here, but you can also navigate into Library, and this should create a screenshot album. No, never mind, I guess we don't have a screenshot album, so it's going to be in camera, unfortunately. So here's this home screen screenshot, and here's the Netflix screenshot, which without my permission decided to block the screenshot from being able to see the application, which I've never logged in, nor did I agree to any terms of service, hence didn't allow it to do whatever the F it wants. So yeah. Anyway, I'm pointing that out because you might experience this from time to time with certain applications where you try to capture a screenshot and it's just not gonna give you the result that you want. On most devices, when you try to do this, it will just give you a pop-up that is basically blocked of whatever garbage like message it's gonna pop up with. But here, the phone tries to capture it but just gets black screen. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.